Brand new, have yet to use it, so we're gonna see how amazing this product is. It's a cordless viral TikTok vacuum that is going on, and they have sales going on, so paid like $80 for it, but let's check it out. Okay guys, that was my rug. Brand new rug. I've had it for like 2 weeks, and that's how much it collected. There's some hair right there. I love how it has a light in it. Honestly, the suction of it has 2 settings of suction, and it's just amazing. Like, I've been able to do my rugs, these floors, get in hard places because it's thin, so it actually reaches these areas that other vacuums wouldn't. It is super easy to empty as well. I took the handle off. I just opened this area. Look at all that nastiness in there. And ta-da, it's clean. And it ran without me charging it. I ran it for like 30 minutes. So it's a good deal, guys.